Hello everyone and welcome back to another gameplay video. Today we are in Specops in County Wicklow and today's game mode is Attack the Castle. We have to get into the castle and keep the enemy team back for as long as possible. But first, a special announcement.
Hello! Sorry to interrupt the video, but the giveaway winner is being announced tomorrow. Pretty exciting things. As you can see in the video, there's clips of the giveaway. What you can win. It's a little grenade launcher and you get a free shell with it. You still have a day to enter, so go down to my Instagram and enter it if you like. Also, the first batch of merch is here. Very exciting. Hit me up on Instagram if you're interested in that. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. But yeah, I won't take up any more of your time. Have a good day and back to the rest of the video.
There was only one person allowed upstairs at a time due to COVID, but I held the ramp to stop the enemy teams from getting upstairs. Once our teammate was dead upstairs, I rushed in to secure it.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
I've got all the front here.
I'm sorry, little one.
From here, I kept on moving from tower to tower so they would never know where I was. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. As always, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. It's much appreciated. And make sure you go and check out my Instagram for the giveaway if you haven't already. You have only a very short period of time to enter it before it is announced. All the giveaway rules are in the description of the Instagram post. But if you are from another country and you enter and you win, there will be something sorted for you.